Okay guys, my name is Dinesh Kumar, and so just an update, I'm going to be doing a workshop in Jan 21st and 22nd, it's a weekend workshop for 10 hours, and it's an introduction into vital energy. So we're going to be covering energy awareness, application, and a bit of theory. We're going to go into Sung and the release concepts and exercises based on that. We're going to cover the Fajin principles as well, and an introduction into the vibrational scale. And if we have time, we'll go through the first transformation and do astral breathing. So yeah, it's going to be a great foundational introductory workshop for anyone who's interested. So for a bit of context, I've been training under Sifu Mark Rasmus for the past year for the teachers program. And so I'm back in Melbourne now, ready to teach this stuff and really looking forward to it. So if you're interested, let me know. You shoot me an email and we'll take it from there. Thank you.